2011 Fleetwood Discovery 42A for sale in Kamloops, British Columbia, Canada V2H1J8 Spread your wings and fly with this 2011 Fleetwood Discovery 42A. This Class A motorhome is 43.33 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong powered Cummins 16 diesel pusher engine matted with automatic transmission that offers an impressive 380 horsepower. This RV has 4 slide-outs, 2 awnings, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 8 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with an air leveling system, hydraulic leveling system, captain's chairs, and a monitor panel. With only 27,000 kilometers, you can rest assured that this Fleetwood will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2011 Fleetwood Discovery 42A is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on a campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove / oven microwave fridge / freezer, ComboIce MakerDinette with Booth SeatingFlat Screen TelevisionDVD / CD / StereoSofa, SleeperChairsStand, up ShowerWasher / dryer, never used outside shower outside, EntertainmentMaster king-size BedMaster, flat screen television storage, DresserBasement, StorageFurnaceHeat, PumpPower, boost, AntennaSafe, SteerBack, up CameraPower, MirrorsFog, LightsHitchCruise control, smoke detector, backup generator.